welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I've been filming videos all day today. Which one is this? Okay, I got it. This is the Best of series for Terry's Corner Foundation Edition. So if you want to know what my best of the best foundation recommendations are, then keep on watching. This year I thought of a series called Best of. So best of everything, like in makeup, skincare, or anything and everything under the sun, like lifestyle products, if we ever get to that part. But I wanted to focus on makeup and skincare. How is that different from favorites, like monthly favorites? Well, monthly favorites could be like something that I like this month, something that I'm enjoying using. Well, best of is like something that I enjoy year round, like the best of the best, my ride or die, no matter what, this is it. No matter what the season, when my mood changes or whatever, I'm still always gonna go back to these foundations. So I have a few recommendations for you guys from all different price range. So let's get started. First off, the AOA Buildable Satin Foundation. I was trying out the different foundations on the AOA website, Shop Miss A website. So that website contains makeup products at a very affordable price. If you are on a budget, this is the foundation for you. This has a satin finish. Last year I did, or the year before that, yeah, I think it was the year before that, I did monthly foundation review. So every time a foundation came out, I would review them on my face. If you want a detailed review of these foundations that I'm mentioning, definitely check out my playlist of all my foundation reviews. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below so you can hear more about it. Because for now, I'm just gonna talk about like the key points for each foundation and why I love them. So I love this for the price, and not only for the price, it doesn't break me out. You know, ignore the breakouts that I'm having now. Like, what? I haven't had a breakout in over a year or two, and I don't know what's going on with my skin or hormones. I don't know. This one, guys, amazing coverage. Like, I would say it's like medium coverage, but a solid medium coverage. This is cruelty-free, vegan, like most any high-end foundation would be. It's also paraben-free. It mixes well with any type of foundation. You can mix colors together to find your desired shade, because I think this foundation only has 15 shades. Similar to like drugstore foundation, they have very limited shade range, and I think that's the challenge when it comes to drugstore or affordable foundations. Like, they don't have a wide variety of shade ranges, but you know, $1.88, hello, you can like mix and match 5 shades if you want it. I think they have fair, light, medium, and deep or tan. I think they have 4 shade categories, and in each of those categories, they have 5 different shade ranges. Okay, guys, so here's the shade. I think this looks like, okay, so it looks a little bit darker. This one could be my summer shade though, so not bad. I love how weightless this feels on my face. Now, they have another AOA foundation that's more matte or full coverage, and I thought I would like that more because it was full coverage, but don't get that. Oh my gosh, it's crusty, it hardens on your face. It's just like, no. But this one, the one that says, that has like that A+ symbol, yes, it is A+, I agree. But yeah, it is one of the best foundations that are super affordable. I think we're gonna go from cheapest to most expensive foundation today. The next one that is ride or die, holy grail for me, is the Wet n Wild foundation. And this is probably like $4.98 or something like that at the drugstore, at Target or Walmart. Depending on the store, they could have different pricing. But Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, get the dewy kind. My face in the past have been an oily skin type, and even then, when I tested this foundation years ago, I preferred the dewy over the matte. If you want to know the details about that, because I actually compared the dewy and the matte foundations together in that video, I will link it up here somewhere. If you have dry skin, definitely get the dewy one, but if you have like oily combo skin, I think this is still gonna work for you. I would say it's more of a natural finish. This Wet n Wild like prides itself for having a nice photo finish. This was tested for the perfect selfie, pretty much. So it's not gonna have any flashback. It's not gonna have like a white cast on your face. Have you guys ever been to a party and you have like the most beautiful makeup on and then you take pictures and you look like a ghost? Those are the white casts from your foundation. So watch out for that, because I have seen some of my friends, and including myself, go through that, and it's not fun. So it has like a light diffusing technology, so it's not going to give you that white bright cast. It's just going to give you a natural skin finish. This is also cruelty free and vegan. It says dewy, but no, it's not going to make you look like an oily mess. It is really more of a natural finish, kind of like a satin or velvety matte finish, depending on your skin type. So highly, highly recommend. Let's see if this is my color. I swear. See, okay, so this would be more of my color right now. So this is the Wet n Wild, and this is the AOA foundation. I say this all the time, every time I use this Wet n Wild foundation. It gets better over time. Over time, it just dries down to perfection. And I look at myself and I would be passing by a mirror and I would look and I'm like, wait a minute, I look really good today. That's my experience with the Wet n Wild foundation. Highly recommend, ride or die. If you're at the drugstore, get it. The only thing with AOA is that you can only get this from Shop Miss A, and so that's a bummer. But if you really want a $1.88 foundation, you have it. Okay, next off, we're getting into the more pricier range, but not so pricey. Okay, Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop foundation. This is for the minimalist look. So it looks like this. This is the packaging. Did I show you guys the Wet n Wild one? So this is what it looks like. It's like a squarish bottle. The Eavesdrop foundation is $35 at Sephora, I believe, if that's where I saw the price. This is a foundation by Rihanna. So if you want a full review of this foundation, again, I will link it up here somewhere or over here. They'll definitely be in the description box below. I have all the details for you. This is, I would say, a solid medium coverage. So if you don't like full coverage, heavy foundation. By the way, none of these foundations that I recommend feel heavy on the skin. They feel like serum water type foundations. Okay, so you're gonna love them. You're gonna love how it feels on the skin. You won't even feel it. This is more of a tinted moisturizer. It's only vegan. It's not cruelty free, so we need to make that distinction. It has like a quick blur complex, so whatever that means, but I definitely see that in my face. When I use this, it's very blurring. It's very like diffusing the pores on my skin. Even though it's light to medium coverage, it's kind of like your skin, but better. And that's all you want, right? You don't want like a heavy duty full face of makeup on most days, right? You just want kind of like a light wash of makeup, kind of just make you look awake. This is long lasting, and I love the wear time on this, and I love how it wears off as well. So it doesn't wear off like in blotches, or like it just evenly coats your skin. I think the reason why it's long wearing is because it's humidity and sweat resistant. I think this would be a great summer foundation because it's gonna stay put even when you're hot. Let's see what color I have in this one. Okay. It's like a warmer version of this one. This one is definitely my summer shade, the AOA one. And these two, I can just alternate throughout the year. So yes, Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Foundation, light to medium coverage. This is perfect for everyday, like everyday look, going to work, going to like day to day. My very last Best of foundation I actually have on. So hopefully guys, you can see how pretty and flawless it looks. But this is also the most expensive one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is $49, And this is unique in that it's a serum and foundation in one. Why is it a serum? It has anti-pollution, anti-aging benefits. Now, how much of that do you get in a foundation? Because, you know, it's makeup still, you know, but it feels very hydrating and refreshing on the face. So when you put it on, it's not runny like the Fenty Ease Drop foundation, but as you can see, it's very full coverage. It still has that shine or sheen to it that your skin needs to kind of feel hydrated. This is one of the more full coverage foundations. But look at my face, guys. Does it look full coverage? I don't know. Let me know in the description box below. What do you guys think? I think it still looks very, very kind of natural. I know it's covered a lot of my imperfections. Like you can no longer see like the blemish marks that I have. And by the way, guys, I have a reel on how to cover up blemishes. This is like your foolproof technique in covering this, because you know you can see the bumps of my acne, but you don't know how red and inflamed it is underneath, right? And that's what you kind of want to do with makeup. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the color 7.5. Definitely long wearing. Whenever I wear this, I look good. Like this is weddings, special occasions. Like if you don't want to use this on a day-to-day, because I have to say it is very full coverage. So full coverage in a sense that it will, you know, just reset your face. Like it gives you a blank canvas to work with. Which I love. I love that on special occasions. Basically, it has pore blurring technology. It smooths out your face in such a way. Like sometimes when I look at my face, I'm like, where are my pores? Wait, you know, it just blends nicely, but it still looks skin-like. It lasts a long time on the skin. You know, this is like all day wear kind of foundation. If you are the bride, this is your foundation because it's not cakey, it's not thick. You will love this, guys. Yes, it's pricey, but hello, Charlotte Tilbury. That is everything, guys. Those are my ride or die, the top foundation best of series by Terry's Corner. You will not regret if you try any of these foundations. I feel like the foundations that I've settled with are the ones that are good whether you're oily or acne prone or your dry combination skin. All these foundations are like the perfect in-between foundations for all skin types. So you will love this. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what best of series you'd like me to do next. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.